Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Essence G'day Sydney eyeshadow palette and also what looks you can create with it. Now I also came up with a new format, so please make sure that you're watching the video until the end, and also let your feedback in the comments down below on how you like the setup of this video. Now before we're getting started with the eye makeup, let's have a quick look at the eyeshadows. So I'm going to share in total 5 different eye makeup look ideas which you can create with this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to share with you one of the looks which I like to keep really in depth so that you can see how I'm going to use the different brushes, how my eyeshadow placement is, and how you can blend the colors so that you can also recreate the look at home. And what's really interesting about this whole thing is even though I've created 5 different looks, the technique stayed the same. Or what I've did is I swapped the shadows so that I can come up with a different look. And so with this eyeshadow technique, which is pretty simple, all what I need is 3 eyeshadow brushes. So for the first step, I'm using a blending brush for all over the lid. For the second step, I'm going to use a crease brush for the crease and outer corner. And for the third step, I'm going to use a smaller pointed brush for the lower lash line. And for the main lid area, to also have the best result at the end, I like to use my fingers for any shimmery eyeshadow. Now that you know how I'm going to use the brushes, let's have a look at the in-depth technique. For the first step, use a matte skin tone shadow on a blending brush and apply it all over the eyelid area from the lash line towards the brow bone. For the second step, use your crease brush, dip into the light matte brown shadow and use it through the crease and connect it slightly towards the outer corner. For step number 3, use your finger and choose any of the shimmery shadows which you then are going to apply on the main lid area, from the lash line towards the crease shadow. For step number 4, use a pointed brush and use the light matte brown shadow again and go along your lower lash line. For the next step, use your finger and choose any of the highlighting shadows and place it towards the inner corner and under the brow bone. And for the last step, use a few coats of mascara to open the eye and finish the look. So for the next 4 looks, I'm going to blend the eyeshadow palette in the corner, and I'm also going to show you which colors I've used to create the look. And I do hope that you will enjoy it. So those were the eyeshadow looks that you can create with the Good Day Sydney eyeshadow palette by Essence, and of course there are so many possibilities with this palette. And I also do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it. Don't forget to drop your comment down below about the new setup and how you liked it, and I really would appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!